cutting-edge technology in the context of shipping industry. We are all aware of the new developments in our lives, in particular those which are related to the cutting-edge technology. The revolution of technology have affected each special part of our lives, in particular those which are related to the business field. Business fields is one of the sectors that have been affected by the performance of such kind of technologies. Why did the business have received this? This is because of the importance and privileges that may gain from the use of technologies in order to improve and to develop their own performance in order to compete other counterparts in the field. So many advantages can be attained from the use of these technologies. For example, they can save time, cost, and also reduce the efforts that might be devoted in order to achieve your purpose in the context of the business-wise. Shipping is one of the industries which have been affected by the new technologies. And also, these technologies have been adopted in different areas of the shipping business. So, for example, let's talk about the AI or artificial intelligence. The best example that I can bring in this regard is that which is related to the automated shipping and autonomous ships. Through such kind of technology, the vessels would be able to travel, move, carry goods, passengers, while they are being controlled, remotely controlled from the onshore. So that's why the business related to shipping has adopted these technologies in order to achieve navigation in a very fast and secure aspect. Let's talk also about the other aspect of applying the AI or artificial intelligence. This can be clearly seen from the adoption of drones. So the drones nowadays are being used in order to carry stuff or supplies as also provisions from ports to vessels and vice versa. The other feature through which we can realize how important is the new technology and its positive impact on the field of shipping can be also seen through the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is one of the most important innovative feature in the context of shipping industry. This is because such kind of technology can give the business to achieve more secure and decentralized transactions while they are contracting with other counterparts in the field. So, and one of the examples that can be discussed in this regard is the cryptocurrency, which is being used as a way of payment for the transactions arising in the context of shipping. And also, one important feature that is related to the blockchain is that which is related to the contracted process. Contracting process through the smart contract can be done very easy and in a secure manner, not like the way of traditional way of concluding the contracts. Let's talk also about the other way of applying technologies in the context of shipping industry, which is related to digitization. Nowadays, most of the business stakeholders who are working in the context of shipping industry, they are adopting the manner of digitization. They've started digitizing their transactions, documents, paper, and all of the paperwork have been transformed to be seen in a digitized way. And this can give more potentiality for the business to improve its own self and to provide a quality of products or services that can let them compete others in a professional way. And one of the good example that might be discussed is the e-bill of lading or electronic bill of lading. This document is deemed to be one of the most important documents deployed in the context of shipping. In particular, that this document has managed to perform and to achieve compatibility, credibility, and competency in relation to the conventional bill of lading. So the e-bill of lading proved nowadays that it can be considered as a prima facie evidence for the particulars of the carriage contract, in addition to its role in performing the function of title through which the carrier and the holder of such documents can transfer ownership of the goods embodied in that document. And the third function performed through this document can be seen in its role as a receipt through which we can prove that the goods have been handed over or received by any of the contracting parties to the carriage contract. But the most important note that might be brought and discussed under this context is the importance of the e-bill of lading in terms of solving the problematic issue in which or through which the vessel might arrive before the arrival of the conventional bill of lading. And this is one of the features that managed the e-bill of lading to supersede the other conventional bill of ladings that used to be performed or used to be used in the context of shipping industry. But unfortunately, the current legal instruments, whether those which have been developed by international entity or those which are being developed and enacted in national level, all they are incapable of regulating the features that might be observed in the context of the transactions concluded in the field of shipping, recruiting the new cutting technologies. And that's why it is safely, or one can safely infer that it is very necessary for international community as well as for the national legislator to find a more competent legal sets that can regulate the transactions performed and concluded in the context of shipping industry using the new technologies, and so to find more capable documents through which we can solve disputes arising in that regard.